98.1, the one, the mad 2.5 hours. Yours truly, Versi Wild. Yep, Versi, a.k.a. Grimy, in the studio with me. I have none other than the talk called himself, P.C. Bruce.
Oh, yes, good evening, Versi. Good evening, Barbados. I hear another Thursday, another mad 2.5 hours put together, man.
That's right. And on the line, I have none other than Her Royal Highness, Her Majesty, the Queen.
Good evening, Versi. Good evening to everybody out there in 98.1, the one country, and of course, parts of the Spirits country. P.C. Bruce, you still about here?
I'm in the studio, I'm about here.
You're still in the studio, all right.
Yeah, but Versi, traffic out there serious here. They're serious.
Yeah.
I just coming up from, you know, where you left, this car around the block again, down the road there.
Norman Nose.
And you going towards, sort of, like, going towards Mark or the Spears.
I can tell you why.
I know why.
Oh, what, you know. I find out you hard way. I find out you hard way on me.
That's an hour road of stress, man.
To avoid the traffic you see at Norman Nose. Sometimes I do orange traffic as go wrong. Carroll St. George. When they come out there by Saunders.
How to turn back.
Barbados lay down forward, dealing with some detour. Mash me up, man.
All that works down the road and all kind of things. So if you're coming up the highway, right now you're getting towards Norman Nose. Don't look go that road. Block off, shut off.
Yeah.
I can imagine the traffic is on the highway now.
You know the whole highway mess up because of that one thing. You know how it does work. You're the driver.
I know a pole across the road outside today, so they're trying to put back at the pole.
Yes.
Yeah. They're still out of it.
Yeah, boy. The crew detour about there, man.
Wow, that's right. Serious.
So, where's the roads that block off then?
It's that road up.
Stretch.
No, that whole stretch block off.
Yeah. But you know the yellow road can take some heat now. Call it
coming out.
Yeah, exactly. Coming out like it was coming to the studio, but it was coming down by Roberts Manufacturing coming on that road. You can't even come down there. I had to turn wrong.
Oh my God!
She's so brave.
I had to turn like a back up. Take my shortcut to CBC. This was a smart move, man. So if you're coming up, you're coming St. George, St. Philip. Don't let the take that road at all. Don't even look on the highway today, man.
Keep for the highway too.
Go right round your back, then.
Right wrong.
Is it wrong for you?
Yeah. That'd be a faster road for you. That'd be a faster road.
It's not bad. It's not bad today, man.
It's serious, man. I don't forget people, bank holidays coming up. Enough bank holidays coming up. One of the favorite time of the year, Christmas and everything coming up.
Independence Day,
all the bank holidays and Christmas. So make sure your car working good. You know the family coming in from overseas, so I'm not gonna carry it around. So make sure the car in good working condition, man. Go and check out Marks or the Spears. You know, get the tuning parts, everything to tune your car, the oil filter, everything they at Mark or the Spears. Go get your car in good working working condition because the holidays coming up, man. The holidays coming up, man.
It's true.
So you've got ample to not only holidays coming up, I see a lot of big shows coming up in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, go enough for true.
And you've got to collect your madam, you know, got the car working punctures and things, so when you get these big shows, you know, you want the car to be working proper. You don't want that you busy show and you get there real late because you're in the middle of the road, you carry there, so all 4 legs spread out like a newborn car. They want to carry pictures all 4 wheels touching wrong sideways. You don't want that kind of situation. And then the woman, they say, because she don't want to get out.
She ain't a joke.
Some women don't want you to have your push.
Not only that, Queen, even if somebody taking out a woman on the first date, that would be a very awful first date.
That's embarrassing to you. You know she's going to be you again.
That'd be a first and your last date with she.
You know that from the time she got that car, she had that little clunking, that clunking song and thing. She already watched some easy friends, you know. but she phone and saying, and she there from watch some attention friends. I don't know what car this man can collect me, you know. And she may even, you know, tape a little bit of this clunking song, this clunk, the knocking song. And, you know, and send a little voice note to she friends. I driving in this car all the time, clunk. What is all thing is?
You know, he ain't gonna know how you gotta keep your ice on your road, so he ain't gonna know.
No, he just sees she phone and filter that, you know, she just going through the Instagram pictures.
Yeah.
But she know she didn't make his name go snort by that phone.
She that woman that went viral a couple of weeks ago, when the man cash on his first date.
Cheesecake Factory?
Cheesecake Factory woman, man.
Yeah.
She just like that was let me tell you. Okay, nah, boy. I hope that fella me back up with she after that, yeah.
Come back with she was.
But I know she begging back because they see the put some talk shows and things.
Yeah, because she went viral. She started feeling this shame.
Yeah.
Some people tell she all grateful and all appreciative and all kind of thing.
Yeah.
She was.
Even I see women like pension and everything. You just gotta be grateful for this small mercy. You don't know when you buy a pocket stop, you don't know that on the thought. It's thought that counts. You come on the first day. I said, Skip Bro say he had a woman to Champions, no, that's what I see by the first day.
You got testy waters. You got test. That's a good example. That's the reason why. That's a good example of why you do that here. You got testy waters. You know, see how the shape, how the plane. You know, you can't just you treat them good after you get accustomed. You know,
if they went into good star, then they deserve the Champions. Don't be
correct.
You can some players that your pocket can handle the job.
Right.
Not that you might not be able to handle the little choppers or tappers or nothing so. But you tell yourself, listen, the first time she go, I know she behave, I know she that kind of way, so I can spend a little $50 on the meal for Toby or whatever. If things get if things start to get married at the end of the day, $75 area thing. If you got all these things Friday night and thing, pay the food, 2 plates of food is about nearly $60 would be the less off. You know what I'm saying?
That's true,
Right, but nearly $60, 2 plates of food. And depending on where you order, it may even be more. So you can't see they kind of, at least you don't appreciate that way. You don't know that anybody, you want to cash in at all.
True. True.
And then when you start them at the big hotels and the big things, sometimes you just can't come down off of that way.
You can't come in front of you.
You can't just, let me get Baxter's Road at night now because you want to go mad. One of your prayers, but yeah, but what PC Bro said, you got to make sure that the car work is punctilious. Because you don't want to, when she walks up in and telling the people about the car knocking and thing that she walks, the next WhatsApp message is, you be doing car bread, no? You believe this half outside telling me count a happy person? Lee get a side road, right? And the woman goes, she got clothes. She get expensive clothes. She look at the regular one or the other one with string beans and rice. What in there? The black eyed rice and string beans and rice. What in there?
Black eyed peas?
Yeah, the black eyes and rice. What be buying them? So the woman, we look at the black eyes and rice things, black eyes whole peas all over in there. And you can tell the woman, no, she got a girl and put the car inside the road. He called it Chessie. So she said, yeah, I don't have your push. So she got said, don't you want to go and run black out now?
Lost.
And you know Chessie's beat it too. Chessie might get the little while, and then Chessie and Messi went to listen, get rid of she though. Hey man, that guy can't want me to want wrong. Get rid of she. Chessie's the man, keep it real.
Yeah, he's keeping it real for you.
Yeah, Chessie's the man, tell listen, boss, she don't want me there. And then Chessie's pull, she falls.
Chessie know everybody, you know.
Chessie know everybody,
boy.
Oh, so Chessie's pull, she falls. Say, yeah, she used to deal with a man that used to work at so. Man, I get rid of she because of so. Yeah, she went to school at so. And so. She can't do so. I just got everybody falls she's got. So we don't want that to talk. Get your car started and everything.
Correct.
Chessie, big at yourself, man.
And of course, you got to be in prime condition. So you got to get your vitamins and your omega, XL, and different little things.
Correct,
very
boy.
Important.
Yes, and the probiotic, especially this.
I gotta go a crow flu going wrong too. You gotta go a real crow flu.
Yeah.
I ain't catch that. I can't catch that.
So tell me this. So
the probiotics, the thing. If there's a season here, you can be eating some of everything. You can be getting everybody. You know, everybody can't really cook. So make sure and get your probiotic. Omega XL probiotic, it working. You don't feel lost all the way, Versi. That's it's got to be word that is used to feel bloated.
Right.
Bloated. You know.
Right.
Just make sure everything passed through.
Remember you give me a bottle.
Yeah,
the work real good.
That is work fast though. That's the thing.
Well, let you hook up another one.
Yeah, all right, got you covered.
Can't say asking too close. Queen, you can't say, well, I want Verse, he's asked too close for things. They don't want my Verse, and then he's asked too close.
But that's why you don't ask for favors for people. You said you got people that want you to pull you notes for them. But all you favors for them. I don't want my favors for the money. So many want a favor, you know. The money they say you
just asked the other day.
You just asked the other day.
Or what worse, Queen? You can say you You quit ask for yourself. Then she ask for a friend. No, I ask for yourself again. No.
Yeah.
So you look at your own self.
Got to call you. No, I might go a little wedding thing. You know, I'm wedding or whatever coming up, a proper occasion. I call Versi, tell Versi, what a favor do. The pocket in working as I would like. I want you to play my great aunt 80th birthday party or say. So, you know, this is the Mark sort of spirits and thing. She let you a thing. And the pocket is so heavy. I wonder if you could give me a little discount.
Right.
Versi said, man, that easy, man. Just give me so, it'll be good.
That's why exactly me, that easy.
Yeah, that easy, boss, man, that easy. Give me this so. That ain't good. That's all good. You see Versi playing at the thing. Come to me, no, maybe I'm Versi charge. No, I can't do that Versi. Give me a little discount. I can't tell you a monthly discount. It was say, well, he normally charge so. But because it's me, he charge so. Right? Because they beg you for this. You can tell me, you birthday party, charge. You want a Versi to come and pay for $100. Go and ask, beg you for favor. I mean, beg you for favor for you, no, man. Beg you for favor for you for what, no? Furthermore, we'll let you know overcharge you to make up for the little discount they give me. So if you give me a little $300 discount, it will let you to charge you just $300 to make up for your thing. You can't tell me to come back first, No, I ain't doing that foolishness. Speaking of that, I see a meme, right? Yeah, there. I see a meme where like a man, like a DJ, they're skinning him out in a. They're skinning him out like he embarrassed. And the caption was, you DJ'd for $150 and the best costume won for $500.
You ought to be cruel, boy. You ought to be cruel.
You know that what's happened. This one DJ come and play for a bread and fish. And then it's got a competition with the best dressed person. The best dressed person gets paid more money than the DJ.
Yeah, I see that happen to people already, boy. Yeah, I see that happen to people already.
Nah.
Yeah, I see that happen to people already.
Yeah, that's what happened. The body just put on a biscuit thing but drop the head and come as a speaker box. Very best costume.
Go all over the money.
Go all over the money. Hey, DJ man.
DJ man, you're sweating. Sweating.
DJ man sweating because when they bring you to play, we probably come to set up. The arm pigeon right in that corner. So you know when the arm pigeon right, sometimes the break is strip.
Yeah.
And it's blame the DJ,
Yeah, everybody's like a DJ anytime music cut out.
They're
ready to blame the DJ. They ain't ready to hear what's the problem.
So every minute somebody go out there put back a break and all that food. And next you gonna move you arm plug in from that corner, you gonna plug it in kitchen. You gonna instead of plugging you speakers in this, so you gonna plug in the gallery, all kind of food in there. Everything all set. But that's what I'm happening. But this November, this is Conky Month, so anybody have Conkies giving away,
Giving away?
Yeah, anybody want test drinks on Conkies? Anybody who want test drinks on Conkies, it might be the first thing.
Send it to you.
Yes, and you want test drinks on Conkies, you know who here to find me. 231-4259. I'm not that busy.
You have time.
I got to get caught up in your raisin and think what will you give me that in? I prefer your raisins, but I don't get caught up in which is the best and which is the best. What will you give me? I work with. How's that kind of body?
Yeah, that Conky drink still selling?
Conky drink?
I think Queen is selling.
Man, I get a Conky shake.
A Conky shake, right?
Conky shake, or
Master back in there?
I know.
I had a girl too that make something for independence, so it was she brings something here. You still with me? What it was?
But I had a girl that I was trying to find out the girl who married for the South Roadies. I thought
that's it. Put in our South Roadies. I'm so short. Never heard about anything like that.
Yes, and I was trying to.
Before nor after.
I had the number in my phone and I lost the number.
I lost my number. Oh, my number's dropped on my phone. Though that's why I can't find she put in South Roadies, man.
Right, the names drop off. The number's still in your phone, I believe.
Yeah.
A lot of the names drop off. It's only when you find up on WhatsApp that you will see the number is there, but the name gone.
Already passed. Yeah, happened to me in a word, but happened to me passed. That's got you good, yeah.
Yeah, especially when you're looking for something, you can't find it at all. We was going to do is get a WhatsApp and then search with a keyword that you would have thought to anybody about.
That's if you delete the chat.
Dog date.
If you delete chat, dog date. But, yeah, so I tried to find the part in that South Road, lady. So if you can find she.
Put on the APB, put on the APB.
Yeah,
She's actually
APB.
listening to the show, so I guess she will hear now.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I want to get back in that and so a lot of people ask me if it was real and if he's telling lies or not. And it actually tastes real good.
Yes.
Yeah, I thought it would just taste greasy and foolish and thing.
Yeah.
It actually tastes good because I had a group of people that was here from overseas and they told them about it and they couldn't believe it. And they was searching frantically to find this woman. They can't find a woman at all.
Yeah.
So if you can find it for the South Roti lady and the body who they make the actually that conky punch is taste good, yeah.
Okay.
Conky punch.
Yeah, it tastes good, man.
Yeah.
It was a place that was making it. There was out there over the bridge, out by Trimar, over the bridge side. It said that little mall there. That says Trimar over there.
Oh yeah.
It was a little place up in there that was making the coffee shit.
Okay.
Yeah, just get real creative around Christmas and Independence, man. You remember the chicken ham, man?
Yeah.
I think more sure he still got his number. I got to check it out. See how he doing, man.
Yeah. I become my chicken ham, man.
But yeah.
You chicken ham, man. And I was at a little thing that some chefs was doing some cocoa. And the man, with this particular chef, he did chocolate cocoa.
Chocolate
cocoa?
Wow.
Yeah. So he put white chocolate in the cocoa. And then he make a sauce for the cocoa with brown chocolate.
Wow. Okay.
And it actually tastes good.
Whoa.
I thought it would just taste sweet and disgusting. But it actually tastes real good.
Okay.
I'm happy to hear the Bajans being creative, though.
And then I got some barman who has met cocktails and things with sweet potato.
A friend of mine here saying it's called go-go cuckoo.
Go-go cuckoo?
Yeah.
That's a real word? That is a real thing for you, or you make a sport?
Nah, she's serious. She ain't messing that with a sport. So she will go on. No.
I talk about cocoa with what chocolate and different things in it.
You hear that, Asha? You want to do white chocolate? That's the one you mean?
The one with chocolate, you use chocolate, what chocolate in the cocoa, and then
she messaged me back and let you know what she said.
Brown chocolate in the real carne.
She messaging me here, no. Auto. I had a money, so autocorrect messed you up. She said cool.
Cool.
Yeah, that's some more kind of chocolatey. Could be that.
Oh yeah, that's some more than it, no.
Yeah, autocorrect ain't easy, especially when we're trying to type fast, right?
Right, that's all.
Thanks, Tasha. Thanks.
Yeah, that's all. I can't remember it, but it actually tastes real good. You cannot believe that thing. Of course, you had the old time chefs who was saying that the people would say the mashed cocoa.
Mashing out the traditional recipe.
The humbug.
Humbug in that, you know, yeah, that would be some
The humbug in the cocoa. So I was talking to Chef Peter Edie, and I was telling Peter Edie about the cocoa and how the what chocolate everything. Peter Edie, you should see Peter Edie face. the man turned his face, you can smell it out of egg. And then he start quartering about it, PC Browns, how they mashed the cocoa. But so I like to see people being creative.
Like different, man.
I like to see.
Yeah, you like to try different things.
Yeah, try different little things and things.
Listen, I just hear people complaining that there isn't a very wide variety of things to eat in Barbados. You know, I used to hear people Friday, so the more things like this, the better it is.
Correct, exactly.
You know.
Yeah, because we Barbados is primarily of African culture, black people kind of culture.
True.
So we don't really go too far into experimenting with foods and everything. We know rice and stew, macaroni pie, you know,
chicken.
Fish and chips, chicken and chips.
Chicken and chips,
yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Now you come out a culture like Trinidad and Guyana, where part they got Indian and Chinese culture. You know,
very true.
You will get a lot of different things.
Yeah.
So wherever you go in Trinidad, you will get roti and bishop shot and all that kind of shark and bake, and then you still got your traditional rice and peas and peas and rice and dal puri. You got all kinds of things.
The restaurants or the food store trying to cater to the different cultures.
Yeah.
So always that variety.
So they've got enough variety. But you can walk in a food shop in Barbados and no pay menu.
Yeah.
Macaroni pie, rice and peas, chicken.
Yeah, you know that.
That is it.
Correct. And if it's fried, you know they're gonna go fried chicken or grilled chicken, fried fish or grilled fish, and I got chips.
Yeah. My mom, Mr. Moore, there's in Buckingham. Buckingham Road, he straight different things. He don't, yes, he will got some the traditional rice and peas and things, but he will do things with cassava, lineage cassava. He do things with yam. He will cook cream yam with carrots in it. He do all. So you can come here, me Sundays he will got shrimp, scampi. He tell me he working a little thing there now with some fish and coconut and all kind of things. So he do different things. You can come in more and get something off the beaten track. But traditionally, we still do the same thing over and over and over again. Remind the people of PC Bros.
Quick. My friend just correct me and said she was trying to tell me the name of the place that is do the shit. It's Coco. She ain't talking about the cuckoo. We was talking about the cuckoo when the message came through.
Right.
She was talking about the name of the place that do the shit.
Okay, but I go find them. They still do the things here.
Yeah.
Do the thing, PC Brooms.
People tell me to get me belly and all that, but you do me one thing.
Okay.
Yes, people, it's all brought to you compliments of Omega XL. Omega XL is a small, easy-to-swallow capsule. Omega XL is 200 times more effective than regular fish oils and 400 times more effective than flaxseed oils. It reduces inflammation produced by the body due to illness, disease, or exposure to toxins. It reduces joint pain due to the buildup of inflammation, thereby improving mobility. Omega XL promotes good heart, eye, and respiratory health with no fishy, foul-smelling burps. Omega XL is distributed by Great Health Works and sold at pharmacies island-wide. And it's also brought to you compliments of Mark's Auto Spares. Metasu Oil is the leader in premium quality engine oils and special fluids. Metasu engine oils comply with and will exceed the requirements of global car manufacturers such as Toyota, Nissan, Mazda, Honda, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Volvo, Porsche, and many others. The range of Metasu oils deliver performance beyond any expectations and are distributed by Mark's Auto Spares with 4 locations to serve you. Bel Air St. George, you can telephone Bel Air at 437-9819. Spooner Hill St. Michael, 425-9361. Salter St. George, 228-6992. And 6 Road St. Philip, 271-1297. Only top brand name parts for your vehicle. Mark's Auto Spares, number one Auto Spares in Barbados. And it's also brought to you compliments of Good Time Snacks. Good Time Snacks, your favorite snack, made right here in Barbados. They have the toffee popcorn, caramel popcorn, fruity popcorn, salted popcorn, hot balls, nacho rings, cheese twists, and corn curls. You can also go nuts with Good Time Snacks. They have the honey-coated peanuts, healthy fruit and nut, salted cashews, almonds, and many, many more from Good Time Snacks. Your favorite snack made right here.
Right here, where?
In Barbados.
That's right. And fellas, you remember the TK karaoke lines that I used to do? Remember the our judges ain't telling you right. People keep asking for them. So I'm going to do a bar tour. I'm going to call it a bar tour, right? I'm going to go to a different bar every week. Understand?
Nice.
So it's going to be sponsored by Good Time Snacks. So
yes,
I'm going to put it together properly.
Yes.
And then say more about that. So every weekend it's going to be a different at a different bar.
Yeah.
You know, you try to spread it across Barbados.
Spread the love, man.
Yeah. So look out for the Versi Bar Tour coming soon. And any bar owners locked on are interested, just link me up. 834-2729, okay?
So is it karaoke at the bars?
Yeah, if the bar want karaoke and DJ music, no problem. If they just want DJ music, no problem. Again, I'm going to give them that option. But you know, most people are going to want the karaoke. Yeah, they prefer it to be karaoke and music personally, to be honest, right?
Nice,
for the karaoke crowd to come on and have a nice time, you know?
Okay, we're going to talk to people. My people there at East Point Bar and Grill, man. They got to check them out. I have to bring Brent Versi, man.
Yeah, that'd be a good spot.
Right.
That'd be a good spot for you.
In case you missed it last week, East Point Bar and Grill is open, people. Come and enjoy the relaxing atmosphere while sipping on your favorite cocktail or enjoying mouth-watering food. Tonight, as I tell you just now, it's karaoke, man, and the action starts at 6 p.m. And tomorrow is the after-work line, and the bar is open from 5 p.m. Saturday from 9 a.m. in the morning is the best Bajan pudding sauce in Barbados, so get there early so you won't be disappointed. And on Sunday is the traditional Bajan Sunday lunch from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. for delicious food, exciting cocktails. Check out East Point.
Got you more water.
My Thursday, man. Listen, I asked how I put this house last week, man.
You want water?
I want to dream about it, man.
Okay.
Saturday dream about that idea, man. So
you the man that don't little pepper, how you eat in this house?
No, the people's gears got different. You know, the people's gears, no, listen,
they got different
temperatures. Yeah, exactly. You got, mild. You know, then I got a little hotter one and
And if you want extra pepper, you get extra pepper.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, you get a volcano.
That makes sense though. 'Cause everybody can't handle the extremely hot ones. I think some people what they might call hot will say, "Man, that ain't hot, man. Only pepper, man."
Man, it's like,
Got different
at first,
people.
how the time I used to eat much pepper, right? But then I tell me how much sense I me bad. And they been how to put in sauce and body put in extra pepper. Listen, I think clear my sense is in one verse.
Yeah, pepper is clear, so this is.
I gotta eat the pepper and make everything, man.
Pepper is clear, so this is.
Yeah,
I understand.
correct. So it's got some
So
nice.
that's your reason for the enough pepper.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, just to clear your sinuses, man. It make you feel good. You have to feel clear and everything, man.
But you don't be, so don't actually me eating it. You know what's running over all the pepper, you know.
You can't eat so they made for eat it enough pepper then me tell you no. My nose is raw cruel. That's one of them people. My nose is raw cruel. Yeah, that's me. I can let you know no. I just enough pepper, my nose running cruel. You can hear
Yeah.
Nah, me.
Yeah, shallow stiff limb, man.
But that's good for you. It's clear out all your sinuses and things.
Yeah, true.
Another food occasion, join the Pride of Barbados Optimist Club and the St. Stephen's Church for cuisine on the go on the St. Stephen's Church grounds Saturday, November the 4th. Yes, this Saturday, only $35 between 4 o'clock and 6 p.m. The cuisine on the go means what exactly what it says. You come, you buy your food, you go out.
Is it very true?
It's a true kind of thing. The Pride of Barbados Optimist Club, in collaboration with the St. Stephen's Church, is hosting cuisine on the go, a fundraiser on Saturday, November the 4th, from 4 to 6 p.m. on the grounds of the St. Stephen's Church, Black Rock. The Pride of Barbados Optimist Club is one of the optimist clubs on the island whose focus is on bringing out the best in children and the community. To this end, for several years, the Pride of Barbados Optimist Club has been working closely with the St. Ambrose and Welch's Primary School. So you can go over there. The cost is only $35 for a fish or chicken meal. Menu includes peas and rice, of course, macaroni pie, of course, sweet potato pie, tossed salad. A slice of cake is also included. Drinks will also be on sale. It is not a sit-down event. Remember that, hence the name Cuisine on the Go. That's this Saturday at the St. Stephen's Church. That is right there in Black Rock. Also, for the Domino crowd, tomorrow night we heading to Cat's Bar. That is in St. George, Newberry, St. George, Cat's Bar for Granville Hines, Trehan Team Panorama. Granville Hines, better known as teacher, out of the Nora family, the French Village family. His Trehan Team Panorama is on Friday night at Cat's Bar. So looking forward to see everybody just put together this Freeman team, come out there and support teacher. And you never know, you might left with a piece of change in your pocket. Of course, enough prizes and surprises, that is on Friday night. On Saturday night, the National United Society of the Blind, they are having their individual Trehan Panorama, also at Cat's Bar. $20 met you a member of the club for this individual Trehan Panorama is a fundraising one. The National United Society of the Blind this Saturday night up at Cat's Bar. $20 registration. Registration starts from 7:30 also. Game time, 8 o'clock. Come and represent your $20 bill. And if you're lucky, you go home a little $300 or $400 or $500 bill. You never know. But you can't win if you ain't there. So come out and support these two worthy causes. Granville Hines on Friday night up at Cat's Bar. And of course, NUSB Big Trehan Fundraising Panorama also at Cat's Bar on Saturday.
Will you tell me Cat's Bar was again? Where it was?
Newberry.
St. George.
You know,
that used to be Thomas Day Square, right?
Yeah, Thomas Day Square.
Oh, okay.
Right.
But Thomas Day Square is now.
Say we are this process, Lord.
No, you just got to tell people these places.
You know when you left the landing Guy Hill.
Yes,
Right?
Guy Hill.
You clear the hill. You got to turn off.
On the right?
On the right. If you make that turn off, you're gone too far. I thought the far turn off further up that would carry you out the other side of the road. No, there is a turn. There is a turn on the left that is carry back out to the
Marks all the Spears.
No,
Bel Air.
This is the landing Guy Hill side.
No, when you left the lane and gun,
I'm talking. You pass there.
You pass the turn for the lane, the actual entrance to the lane, that road, right? You pass that road.
You pass that road.
Go up a little further.
You go up a little further. There's another turn that is carried to the what you call it. Name of the lookouts. I can come back to me.
Look out the lookout for the gun hill. You don't. We was actually past the lane, and then it's got to go up a little further to get to the entrance to turn into the lane.
Past there.
You're past there.
There's another left turn. It's past like a village. But there is a Hold on a minute. There is a turn that just carry back out to find the AFA. I actually had to send a woman.
But that means got to tell people that these places are, because sometimes you take it for granted that people know these places.
Right. The dumb people just know for sure.
But right, they won't know, but somebody just wants to let me go and let me the dumb know people are nigga. The loss, you understand?
Yeah.
Right. But you know Tom Man's this score.
No, we ain't no Tom Man this score.
Well, you don't want to wear then. Anyhow, when you come in at the road, there's a wall on your left.
True.
They got all wall up on the left.
I'm talking about a wall, not a we are calling.
Oh yeah, they got a wall. They got a shop there by the wall.
You pass that shop.
Pass the shop. Okay, good.
You pass that shop and the next left turn.
Right.
Right.
You make that left turn.
Mm-hmm.
You can see like a blue sign on the wall telling you something about what tourist attraction the got to be that area. Can't remember what it is. But you make that left turn and you drive for about 200 meters. Then you make your right turn and follow the road up.
Yeah.
Cat's Bar is about 400 meters on your right hand side.
When they still play out enough dubs and they how to play at Tom Man, a few things that whole know idea.
They still got activity up there, you know.
Yeah.
They still got things up there.
Yeah, it's true.
They still got things up there. So Saturday night, NUSB, Triana Panorama. Friday night is Granville Hines, teacher. Team Triana Panorama. Two different things.
Yeah,
team Triana Panorama is $100 a team, and the individual is $20. I mean $20 for the individual. Two different things altogether.
All right. Right, cause somebody that messaged me just now asked me if the East Point Bar and Grill is the same one there by the Cliffs. You know, you said we talked about last week, firstly. The one by the Cliffs. There's by the Cliffs.
Yeah.
And they're right there. Look for the Lighthouse. You can't miss it. Look for the East Point Lighthouse. That's it right there. If you pass that big red and white, tall, long, stringy tower, ain't no saying wrong with you eyes, man. But it's right up there. East Point Bar and Grill, man. East Point Road. So it's got to tell people with these places.
Speaking of which, I on the flag. The play you see him, Tom Mans, yeah.
You know, see a flag.
That'll draw my memory. It's a good thing. Go on.
I look at him. He's talking to this. They hear it back up there for years. He can't remember. I know people got him there by the flag. He can't remember. I see him there by the flag. So we're yelling too.
Lately, what there?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's true. I ain't come yet.
Oh, okay. It's in November?
Yeah.
Okay.
Saturday night, November.
Yeah, they ain't got enough action in November. They always got enough action in November, man.
But that's Independence Month, so.
Correct.
I got a little Canada, it's put my buckets, but man, I can't show it. Then put it, let me put it nowhere. Good thing when it remind me about that. That place. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yes, people, boy. So, we got Conky Share. Okay, that was the name.
Conky
Share.
Yeah, it is, man.
Yeah, but it's,
as I say, you don't get caught up in who want raises and who want raises and people picking up things and all kind of foolishness.
That is a big viral debate on social media.
But that business.
Who prefer raising from not here? That is big talk.
Why say, I tell me there's a bad pizza. I asked the girl she want a pizza, yes. Pizza can. And she can proceed to start. She anyone pick up, she slows. She starts scraping off people, scraping off.
Wait.
Pineapple off your wrist.
Wait. It's pizza for she and other people and she wants to scrape off all the pineapple?
She just starts scraping pineapple and say whoever want pineapple can get it. I mean, that's how you slice though. Yeah, but you can't. You don't want a pineapple pie yours. You don't want a pineapple pie yours. I like pineapple on my pizza.
Me do.
That's my pizza.
For real.
Rubis, you mean the gas station is Salt gas station or Rubis? Salt gas station in Redmond Village.
It's Salt.
Right, Salt Redmond. Yeah, that has got a fairly reasonable Hawaiian pizza. You can get any time, any night. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Hours, yeah, open 24 hours for sure.
Yeah. So sometimes I come home from Domino's or coming home from some place, 3 o'clock in the morning. I would go straight there, get my Hawaiian pizza. Got the pepperoni and thing on it, and it got on pineapple. Got the everything, got pineapple in a pizza, really, truly. But I ain't partial. I wanted people like you off me pizza something, and it ain't got all way like I can tell you know. I want a liquid kind of people, right? So if you ask me, Green, I hear cooking. You want little food? I ask you where it is. I don't care if you tell me age and still say yes. So I don't know what the answer is for anyhow. When you want Spanish food, where's that you cooking, Percy? Well, I hear some cooking some raw food here. It's some breadfruit with what was it? Because editors and
Americans put pineapple on pizzas.
Very rarely.
Really.
God, I remember past you say I never see them the menu tell you will get pineapple.
Actually, the same way we've got these conky discussion about raisins, they just have the pineapple discussion. Yeah.
Sacrilege to put pineapple on pizza.
Yes, it's actually sacrilege down there. So you say in this morning in Savia, Hawaiian pizza, they will call it like a Hawaiian pizza, and it got pineapple on it. But then we just do this monkey pizza that is really can't tolerate. A pepperoni pizza. What is a pepperoni pizza?
But no, look up picture though that I was watching on which channels they can't remember which channel it is. The name Arnold's Pizza. Arnold's met Cold Hill Pizza.
Is that what?
Cold Hill Pizza. He's a Jamaican. He's a Jamaican man. He's met all kind of pizza.
Why look at me?
Arnold's met Cold Hill Pizza. Oh, I mean everything the man is turning to pizza.
That's not my kind of person. You got to break it all. The basic thing is pepperoni pizza. When you order pizza, pepperoni pizza. You just got take a hunt for toppings. A lot of places don't be selling the toppings. It just be a normal pepperoni pizza. That is it.
Yeah.
And ham and onions, all it's just be pepperoni pizza. That's it.
Can't work with that, boy. Can't work with that.
Nah.
So what I mean.
I ain't got no love for Arnold, man.
Arnold, man.
Arnold is the man that would open this sauce pizza. He's the man.
But that's so good. Everybody open no sauce pizza that got me for 80 pennies. I feel up on the sauce pizza with taste real good, though.
Yeah.
So you get the little salt for the pickle and the cheese, and then you get the little sweetness for the pudding and thing. And then you get your meat, you get it. Eggs of pork and things sliced up on it. Oh my gosh. Man, somebody be water there for me now.
Gosh, when we put on a challenge out there, we want people to do putting that sauce pizza.
I'm putting that sauce pizza.
We can try Haley Studio Lane on the air and everything, but we can see who's got the best putting that sauce pizza out there.
Yeah, putting that sauce pizza.
Got people that can do it for true.
Yeah, you see Red Bull this thing? We want
to put in a sauce pizza.
We want to put somebody that get on it, man. We want to try it.
You got to be you're going to bring the studio?
We can bring the studio, man.
I come in there.
That can bring you back home. That can bring you back home.
And we bring CBC TV and everybody here. We can got this.
That get a big thing.
That got a big thing, man.
Yeah, that's all. I actually believe that would taste outstanding.
Yeah. White as well, though.
That would taste good. Put in a sauce pizza.
I want some, but you don't just do the lean on the big nigga. You got a bone or say you can crunch, You want to be spitting up bones that day with this pizza, though.
Man, you can't be spitting up bones with pizza, man.
PC bro style here.
My man doing sauce, man, you got to put up a huff or something in there.
Years ago, right? Years ago, in the game by the plaza, the plaza there, the city. So a man tell me about some woman in Nelson Street who has met these goat roadies.
Yeah.
I just goat roadie. A goat roadie or chicken roadie side of that. What made you had it bone? I remember biting into the break off piece of my teeth.
Man, no, that shit is warn you. Then should have warned you, though. When you put in bones and roadies and things, you got to tell the people that bones in there.
Why you got put bone in roadie?
I don't agree with it.
Are you a dog?
I don't agree with it neither. Got people that do it and people that like it. Fine, respect to one, but personally, I don't.
No, you love the bowling.
I come again roadies like that all my life. So when they see that, I be like, I don't understand that yet. So you're supposed to open the skin and pick out the bones because you can't just bite as you like.
You can bite
and then you be spitting it out.
You can't eat bones without saying the bone. I'm not going to sport, man.
That ain't me.
Listen, a roti, if you eat the roti, it's supposed to be like if you eat a slice of bread.
Yeah,
just eat. Yeah. Because next thing you know, you're going to walk put needles in jar pass. Buttons and current slices.
Nah, there's got people that just bite only rotis with bones in.
I could buy a roti with bone in it if I eat it with a knife and fork.
Nah, man.
Yeah, that's something different.
Yeah, you're too look.
That way I ask him to open the skin. That would make me ask so.
If I eat any roti with a knife and fork, as you know, in some places, just go in the Caribbean and you get roti, just get a knife and fork.
Yeah.
Right. If I eat it with a knife and fork, I know the shift through it. You imagine you eating, Louis, say, a snack now like nachos from Good Time Snacks. And the nachos got marble in between them.
People tell I got marbles in there.
No, I ain't want nothing hard in it. Let me just eat the thing by itself. If I want it, I will call for rice with it, rice and stew. If I call for rice and stew, you expect to get a piece of bone or something. Or I live in life for 4 and this if it's true. But I put it in my mouth and then my teeth break off now. Who gonna deal with my thing, Bill?
Your dentist bill's hot too.
Seriously, who gonna deal with my dentist bill? And goat bones, they'll be like concrete. You can't buy them a goat bone. Ain't like a chicken neck that can crunch. You can't buy up a goat bone or that and so. So that back and say, don't do that foolishness with me. I'm about that life. I'm about that kind of life.
All right, okay. I see you now. It says Versi and Queen against me, man. I remember the Mac of the putting this whole pizza, don't put in the bone.
Don't put in the bone.
Just put in the whole thing.
Yes.
All lean.
Lean, a little fat. You just got to put in a little piece of fat. Yeah, not all lean.
It's gristle. We're going to compromise. I'll put this on gristle. Gristle and bone.
You want gristle too?
I want gristle, yeah. You got to put this on gristle.
You swallow your gristle or you spit it out?
This was me. Swallow your chew them and swallow it. You getting all of it? You spit up gristle?
Oh, so you just chew the gristle then. All right, so this what do we do all the Rasta people that don't know where to order a pizza after the pizza. 1/2 with gristle for pizza bros.
Gristle and lean.
I don't like the hard lean either. Some people's got this lean that'll be like
yeah, tough, yeah. I want
a tough lean. I want the belly flap kind of lean. I want you take a piece of shoulder chop and bite it up and take it. That is little hard tuna. We can. You know what I mean? It's little hard, piece of hard tuna. I want that kind of one. I want a little piece of belly flap. You want is met bacon with that's got little fat and some lean and thing that's soft that you can take it. Right. So we work with it.
All right. So chefs get on it.
So we put that challenge to somebody.
Right. That's all the same.
Thank you, long hard. Let me big up this this event. They got that Flash Zone Bar. You know, every month there's got the birthday series long day. So me look for that information quick. Right. No look at the time, yeah.
Yo, it's not that time for two.
No look at the time. Me for quick there. So.
Yes, people, and it's all brought to you compliments of Omega XL. Omega XL is a small, easy-to-swallow capsule. Omega XL is 200 times more effective than regular fish oils and 400 times more effective than flaxseed oils. It reduces inflammation produced by the body due to illness, disease, or exposure to toxins. It reduces joint pain due to the buildup of inflammation, thereby improving mobility. Omega XL promotes good heart, eye, and respiratory health with no fishy, foul-smelling burps. Omega XL is distributed by Great Health Works and sold at pharmacies island-wide. And it's also brought to you compliments of Mark's Auto Spares. Matasu Oil is the leader in premium quality engine oils and special fluids. Matasu engine oils comply with and will exceed the requirements of global car manufacturers such as Toyota, Nissan, Mazda, Honda, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Volvo, Porsche, and many others. The range of Matasu oils deliver performance beyond any expectations, and it is distributed by Mark's Auto Spares with 4 locations to serve you. Bel Air St. George, telephone Bel Air at 437-9819. Spooner Hill St. Michael, 425-9361. Salter St. George, 228-6992. And 6 Road St. Philip, 271-1297. Only top brand name parts for your vehicle. Mark's Auto Spares, the number one auto spares in Barbados. And it's also brought to you compliments of Good Time Snacks. Good Time Snacks, your favorite snack made right here in Barbados.
That's right.
You have the toffee popcorn, caramel popcorn, fruity popcorn, salty popcorn, hot balls, nacho rings, cheese twists, and corn curls. You can also go nuts with Good Time Snacks. They have the honey-coated peanuts, healthy fruit and nut, salted cashews, almonds, and many, many more from Good Time Snacks. Your favorite snack made right here.
Right here.
Right here, Versi.
Right here.
In Barbados.
And speaking of Good Time Snacks is one of the sponsors of the action going on in the Flash Zone Bar. That's November birthday. Near colors, man. Right. Saturday, November 25th. It's going to be the Flash Zone Bar. Admission $10. They have happy hours between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. They'll go for live performances by Mona Walks. Your DJs are DJ Dot and Frog MHK and Aintree, that's the Hyperdrive team. Sultan Dawn, Rico Love, DJ Bed 5000 from St. Vincent. Wear your national colors for a chance to win money and more. So that's Saturday, November 25th in the Flash Zone Bar. Another one for the birthday them series. November birthday colors.
Yes, well, so in case you missed it, the announcement last week, East Point Bar and Grill is open. Come and enjoy the relaxing atmosphere while sipping on your favorite cocktail or enjoying the mouth-watering food. Tonight is karaoke and the action starts at 6 p.m. Tomorrow is the after-work lime and the bar is open from 5 p.m. Saturday is the best Bajan pudding in South, so get there early so you won't be disappointed. And on Sunday, the traditional Bajan Sunday lunch starts at 11 a.m. and runs until 4 p.m. So for delicious food and exciting cocktails, check out the East Point Bar and Grill, now open.
Watch it now, PC Brooms. One of the places that we like bad, one of the managers there celebrating her birthday, the club.
Oh, the club
Barbados.
Yeah, Club
man.
Barbados
So,
Resort and Spa.
a belated birthday greeting actually to Carolina.
Aye.
Yes,
Caroline
that's coming
birthday?
from your sister, Miss Pierre. Yeah, she birthday gone.
Oh,
It was
okay.
October 31st.
You know, I get on there yet.
Wow.
But we want to be waiting upon. You really want to be waiting upon Queen. Don't be sweet.
Sweet.
But you know, I did over in the very last 2 weeks and every weekend and stuff, there's things going on and all kind of. My friend Sophie over in America, over in New York, so he tell me there's a slices pizza shop in Brooklyn Howard Street that sells oxtail pizza.
You know, right? Arnold, man. You understand the bit?
Whenever you feel here. Whenever you feel you have heard it all. Whenever you feel I've heard it all here.
Oxtail pizza, $15 a slice. She here is very delicious.
Yeah.
I feel I would eat good too.
But yeah, I mean, Ask you if it going bones, if it going
I asked her already. I asked her. She said she don't think so.
Oh, okay. Just take off meat off the yacht still.
Yeah,
Okay.
they come drown out the oxtail and put the meat on top of the thing.
But yeah.
Anyway, oxtail cut soft and gluey. My goodness.
Yeah, I think he's doing the same picture the man's do goat and thing though on pizza.
Man,
Yeah.
playing, boy. Man, they making that sauce sport.
Art day.
Man, they making that sauce sport.
Jamaican man. You ever watch it Verse?
You saying near what?
Arnold's Pizza.
I can check it out.
Arnold's Pizza, yeah.
I can check it
But
out.
he's cooking for food channel or what they can is it?
No, it's a comedy. It's a Jamaican comedy that's set in the States. These Jamaicans that live in the States.
Uh-huh.
So you know when they move over the States, they want to carry the whole of Jamaica with them. So,
Right.
so the man open a pizza place and they sell all kind of strange pizzas, man. But it's a real good series, though, I'll tell you the truth. It's a real good series. Might like it, Bob. I just don't know about showing.
They show up on TV?
Man, yeah, show up on one. I can't remember the channel. I think it's like.
Cause you got one.
Yeah.
Is one of these things that show up on a normal channel or is one of these foul channels that you get?
No, it's show on a normal channel. It's show on one of the floor channels. I can't remember.
You alien box that you got. That
I try to remember the name of the channel, but then the black channel, something like that. Yeah. They show all black pictures though on this channel.
Okay, not BT.
And BT.
I just
though.
read that ask that.
And BT though. They got another name. They got another name.
All right, so I can tune it. There. But I like to see people trying different things. That way, that way something. Even with some of the same restaurants in Barbados, when you go to them at night time, you don't really get a variety of stuff that you will really be interested in. Sometimes you just the starch. You usually say starch, which is mashed potatoes, or veggies, or chips, or rice. You know, they've got the pasta. But, you know, I guess it's catering mostly to the tourist people who might not be familiar with something to do with cassava or yam or breadfruit or something. So, but sometimes it just be boring. I was in Colombia at the hotel. The hotel serve rice for breakfast. You know, they serve rice, they serve all kind of things. Right? The hotel I stop at in Panama, the hotel I stop at in Colombia serve fried pork for breakfast.
Yeah, a lot of that country so is it do full things like that.
Yeah, because I guess them accustomed to working hard and going up in the mountains and digging for coal and digging for this and harvesting this and harvesting that. That then was always have a sturdy breakfast. You know, we the Caribbean, we just eat like eggs and their bread and things. But then people just put down yam and cassava and different things. In Panama, yam, cassava for breakfast. Cassava, I did not tell you, cassava is true beef for breakfast.
All right, guys, all them people want to make sure that the phone and go there start working. Germans like that, do?
Yeah. Because that means that when they come back home, then coming back home and eating again. But that means necessarily stopping out to buy the fast food place to let us eat. And left over with a solid underneath.
Yep.
A solid underneath and then thing.
I got to send a little quick shout out to Sharifa and also Chi, who I said the name right. She's in from Antigua. Wishing her a happy birthday in advance. That's coming from Sharifa and her daughters.
All right, nice one. Here you go here.
Huh?
No,
Jesse just asked me to ask you when it is. I know what we mean.
Somebody tell me Channel 146 and B Television on Floor TV.
Right.
So I asked Jesse Williams.
Yeah, the National Black something channel. I think that was name.
Right, and BT.
But you don't know, it's not on a schedule, so you don't know. Make sure you just be scanning through and then you'll see it there, and then you just gotta rewind it and watch it. Then that's how I was watch it.
Like cable, that kind of vibe.
Yeah.
Not right.
That always managed to see
Not
it.
like that app that you can just choose what episode you want.
You know, not an arts yet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but it's a good picture though, so you can look for it. I'm sure if you tune in, it's show almost every day. They show one each episode at least every day. So once you go to the channel, just scroll back and you'll find it somewhere.
And it there, show them what?
Arnold's Pizza.
Arnold's Pizza. Right.
He asked Wayne. He said he can do the pizza. He asked Wayne.
He can do the pizza?
Who?
Chelsea can do the pizza? Man, no.
Chelsea can do a pizza?
Nah, Chelsea, no. No, we can't encourage you with that.
Chelsea can't even boil water properly. What Chelsea can do?
Ooh, no.
Chelsea must me daughter that's bit the bread on something. Yeah, what Chelsea bread my pizza, man? Chelsea had encouraging the foolishness. You left food there.
Oh, yeah. I got correction I got made. They call any ragged point, bar and grill, East Point all the time. You even tell me that university.
What's that?
No, the name of the restaurant in up at Lake House is Ragged Point, not East Point.
Yeah, but
it's
called it their East Point. So
it's called it. That's why we made the mistake. It's called it their East Point. Cause look look out there. Yeah, it's look out on the East Point, but the cliff and everything. So that was a honest mistake. I'm very sorry about that though. But it's the Ragged Point Bar and Grill. But remember tonight, people, there's karaoke tonight, so make sure and get there. Best karaoke in Barbados and the best putting this house on the side, boy. Got back there for some more this side, man. And tomorrow is the after work line that starts at 5 p.m. And on Sunday, the best Bajan buffet. No, I don't think it's buffet. Sorry, there's a traditional Bajan Sunday lunch. I think everybody will want from there. 11 a.m. until 4 p.m. So check out the Ragged Point Bar and Grill. Who's this new man on going here, Versi? We got a new man here.
That's a man with the Hyperdrive thing.
Hyperdrive? Who's Hyperdrive?
One of the new DJs we have.
All right.
Yeah, nice player, good. He good.
All right, man. So
go get him. You're laughing. You're laughing.
It's showing all day today.
It's showing all day today?
The next one is at 6:30 p.m. today. At least they're not sure, but.
Yeah, let's go check it. It's a real good picture.
4 p.m. today.
It's a real good picture. I was like see West Indian pictures on them foreign channels and things, man.
Listen, the roti lady just messaged me on Instagram.
Yeah?
Listen, nobody can tell me the whole of Barbados or listen to these two. I care what they say. Nobody can tell me. So whenever we ask to find somebody, it's always.
So they put this house lady?
Yes.
All right, hold on for the number there.
She named Rhea. She says someone called and said you're on your radio is looking for the South roti lady. I am her.
Right. That's what we're talking about, man.
Okay, I got a message. She wants your number. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna send it on to one.
Send your number for me. R-H-E-A, that's your number? That's your number?
R-H-E-A, Rhea. Yeah. I didn't bother call her. She was a engineer because she might not be about that. I know, so I can just focus on getting the number right. But she messaged me on IG.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Everybody's listening.
Yeah.
And if somebody actually listening, somebody don't know listening.
True. That was a joke, man.
Right.
All right, shout out to Van Wick. Always locked on.
Yeah, Van Wick, boy.
Always true.
Always locked on with you.
All right, man. All right,
that's our thing.
Oh, yes. We going.
Yeah, man. Thanks so much, Queen.
Yep.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, PC Brooms.
All right.